but I don't want to be injured. When I found I don't
Nebasari. Iya mayako ile usiku wachuna ulipa kuchiyo. Mwe ukama.
Napata mwana mjara.
Ani basari idaitu. Mwana wako. Mwana akangofata. Introduce yourself to it.
But Chantel, this is an innocent child, Shama.
I know.
I don't need to date Mano, for God's sake.
Stop right.
How, Chantel? So that's it. So that's what we trade a child's life for. Chantel.
Lighton, don't be weak, mani. Wewe chiko. Utikauraya mwana uyu. Zvinhu zvikuva zvagadzirisika.
This is sick, Chantel. This is sick. Can you even hear yourself? What have you become? Urichikare.
Babe, I do hear you. Ndikukunzwa zvakutaura and it's very true. But tikangosvitaka wana kaka zvatopera, we will never even kill any other person again. We're doing this for our future, babe.
What future?
Our future and our kids' future.
What if it doesn't work?
It will work. Are you doubting? And we only have 3 days. 3 days for money. So we have to do it fast. So we can make a decision issues.
Yeah, alright. Let's do it. You can phone it on a bomb. Zvaitaka zvongochida. Masina wari mubhutu.
Masina.
Wati yakuda kandi ndozvongochida. Hamsa mubhutu. Vana sekura vanhu zvomati kuti tite mari. Ito zvatofanira kuita. He's in the boot. We're done with it. Tatozviita. Zvatoitika. Let's just go izvezi. Tinonowa pasekuru vachona zvinhu zvacho zvavari kuda. Vatore pabhodhi yachona so that police aizotinetsa. Imhosva yatotopara. Let's go now.
Okay. You get the keys. Where the car keys?
Maita zvinodiwa. Mauya nechibayi. Kana vari pasi. Vafara. Vari pasi vadya. Vaguta, vafara. Asika. Pane chisungwa. Nzira dzachena. Dzamunofamba imimi. Bhodhoro iri ndiro chakuchengetai. Munoritora munoriisa pasi pomubhedha, ndiyo mhepo yenyu yatatsipika. Muchariisa mukaka vhiki roga roga, because zvinhu zviri zvinoda kumwa. Muchazvibaya netsono mudonhedzera madonhwe eropa renyu. Ndochisungo. Hamutaure nezvazvo. Hamuudze munhu. Ichi chichava chirangano pachenyu. Mukangodaro chete, zvenyu zvinofamba zvakanaka. This is madness. Ndezvekupenga izvezvi. Ndezvekupenga izvezvi. Ndezvekupenga izvi. Iwe hamuye pano muzvidza dare. Hauye pano muzvidza dare. Zvandotaura ndizvo. Kana watouya pano utochapa. Kondaita sevhisi. Ndadi.
Mungokutukawo futi sekuru baibai wewe. Chii kwasi newe Lighton? Wewe uchingowanza hasha pese pese. Mungototikanganisira miko. Kudai sekuru wazviramwe baba.
Haiwa, kasekuru kako kanodawo ropa zvisina nebasa rese. Papa, vatatu, ingozi kaita topinza mumusha. Ingozi, ende zvimushonga izvozvo zvinogona kuramba kushanda. Iwe hauna chavakaita. Dzinza rako harina chinoribata. Nekuti iwe ini ndindakanodzipa mwana wavanhu. Iye uyu blessing izvezvi pamwe atotsvaga mwana wake asi tatombonofonana naita sei tichatanga kunetsana nemapurisa toti kudzingana nengozi. Ngazvitoshanda zvinhu zvasekuru wako izvozvi. Zvikasashanda anopamba hapagariki, hapajigwe rinopisa. Nekuti watonopinza mungozi, wanopinza mumhosva. Amen. Sezvo chinzi misha inotongwa nemadzimai. Pachitongai tione. Chitongai. Tinozongoona kunowira tsvimbo nedoro. That's the path that you have chosen. Sweetheart, let me go rest. Nizvo takazongoita usiku hwese parwindo. Ndine driver kaiwa unomucha wakaita.
Come in. Skana. Say. Get a boy, say. Very long. Oh, Jenna, girl, you look so good.
No.
Right.
Get a boy. And when you would try getting a shay.
Oh my God, Maxine,
Hey.
I wasn't around. I left home money, which I will.
What you? Sada. Oh, boy, Asha.
Serious?
Hey.
And Papa number she don't ndikatoka force
Exactly, Sawi.
chichocho nai aiwa zvakutoita zvedisi zvakutogadzirira
Ndiyo mari yacho
Lizzie, ndigire shamwari yangu drink chat tinatokurukura iwe andikude
nezo akayashtomupopotera yenga
ndatoyamana yeta
ndikati chinonetsa papa I bought an out ikapopa itolipanze ikapopa kuna yaskana ndakudzeka kuti sekuraya vanoshanda basi ipapo vanhu vemumari mweni naini kuti akuunganira pamoti yangu kunge vasingaizivi majera akatuma Toyota
audi yaskana usanditaurire iwe amana ndo life yandikudawo iwe duwe ndo life yandikudawo ndozvanganchiudza babako ndikati unotorwa hana kana basa une wakangochinomatitira hapana chikokupukira hapana ukungudya mari zvinakiro aiwa zvangu ngazvitoita ona handakana basa naye handitonoziva ndinogama naye ndezvavo izvi
aiwa anyanyanigochitoro chimwe chinhu ngatidye mari sawira tidye mari soft life guy
sure baby cheers to soft life
cheers
Listen. What? Blood? Wait. Slow down. What happened to Kuda? Let me be on my way right now. Let me come help you. Rekantoya ikoko izvezvi. Don't panic, bro. Don't panic. Don't panic. We'll make it right. Don't worry. Oh, my phone was off. I was out of town. Takaenda prize in his Roman here. Pane mukuru wedzefana kureka. Okay. Chantel. Chantel.
Yeah?
Blessing is calling.
Afona. My God. So babe, what you have to just wake up. Act normal. Because, hey, I was not talking about what to do. You're panicking right now. Relax, act normal. Chomika, musatombochi. Muize mwana uya watete wangu yaya. Tindakatowabatsira kutomulinga mwana. Chitombochikise chacho. Ndini ndakatotenga the coffee ndakatoviva ari. Saka musatombochi. Asi zvinhu zvekutya izvi. Chomika itsomako ndakamboudza takadzorera. He has to grow up. He has to be a man. Chicha asikutye baba. Ndozvandogara ndichimuudza.
Let me get the car keys to it.
Baby, I'm at table.
Oh, I go. Zungura, zvaita sinomira mushira. Kune vanoona polisi ne? Ndikanaona mapurisa ndodii.
Baby, relax. Anditya.
Sawir. Boy, no.
Nadi.
Ujako ino.
Mwana.
Usadaro.
Mwana wangu wandirwadza.
Aiwa, mwana ndokunozungudzoka vangu. Tikatuita zvese zvati.
Mwana wandirwadza. Ndomuwana ere mwana.
Tomuwana shamwari. Ndikutotsvagawo nekusai.
Mundiregera mwana wangu.
Sadaro Sawir.
Ndodikwa ndodikwa kuda kuzama ofisa ndanetseka.
Apa kuofisi kuti takakumirira usikuya kubasa.
Nduya seiko pasina mwana.
Pane 2 months.
Zvikundirwadza.
Pane 2 months. Kana vane pahandi shamwari.
Ndifunge.
Tinomuwana. Tomuwana mwana.
Murunwa ere nhazika. Torai atero. Mwana ndinesa.
Apo makero acho kuvhurawo ese chai.
Andodiko ndanetseka. Handinari kundibasa mundinyepe.
Wadzimai vako vari sekunga.
Ndonyadzitonetsa mwana.
Apa foni yako haisi kubatika ukadzima foni ndatozoita zvokuti vamwe ndokuvhima nditsvaga tuka.
Ndipo mbomira ndimbonwa ndimbobvisa stress ndimbondisiya.
Zvanhasi zvokwanisa.
Aiwa Sawira, mbomira ndimbobvisa stress.
Aiwa zvanhasi zvokwana. Teerera ndiri muwako. Teerera zvokwana ndizvo. Mwana tomuwana ndi.
Zvakanaka mbeno.
Chuya tiende hande kundo. Tende kundo.
Doro rangu.
Asiya. Doro nobati siya handi.
What time is it?
5:30.
She's it. Nana power someone.
Yo, last night you were fire, baby.
Blame it on yourself.
I really
I know. Every day, every morning, I know. Barikumepo, Ukumi, Masimba, Kuzikanwa. Chantel, what if the boy spirit doesn't sleep? Kukana mwana kapfuko.
Don't be weak and it's a let's just do this. Achina basa zvatopera sekurakaja hapana mwana muhambo smoking.
Ingoziya mwana. Kwero ropa racho tunosvika rini chingorichekera mubhodhuremo.
Ngatite zvatwana sekunwa. Shit.
Kozvino mavanga maoko kudai so.
Usazokanganisa ngokundithengereka address ishi ndakakuudza kuti ndifanira kupatisha mwana wako.
Ko makanaka wene Audi.
Okay. Kazi ndofana kutonyatsoluka sevamwe. Kunzi apa ka? Ndakufana kutonyatsoluka like the rich aunt that I am.
Ko iwango ndakakuudza until last week pepe ndikaenda kulunch na Minister of ICT. They ordered laptops.
Really?
Yeah, so I think today they're supposed to transfer the funds.
Wow.
Yeah, as soon as they transfer the funds, I'll let you know, then we'll celebrate tonight.
Really?
Yes.
Congratulations to us, baby.
We're making it now.
Yeah, we are.
He was actually arranging for me to meet with the president.
Really?
Yeah, next month. I'm scheduled next month.
Congratulations to us, baby.
Ndikupfeka ndikapfeka but baby wakutonipfekedza jacket usina kama musoro. Tora brush.
I'm really excited, ja.
Makufarira mari wagara unoida mukadzi wako.
Babe, that's what I've been looking for.
Mari munoida. Shaku look nice.
Yeah, you look
Netumarasta.
handsome. Yeah. Big Daddy. Just I'm gonna forget the jacket.
And susumugano sinonikiza. Apa. Saturday.
Okay, babe. Have a great day.
Same to you. So, baby, since what Uda, here's just a few bucks. Who's on your time?
Thank you, Daddy. You're so sweet.
Who's it? Shopping? It's
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Nema groceries ana mama pavandi.
Oh, alright. No problem.
Indakwenda.
Okay, babe. Bye.
Bye. Hello? Zvishuveri zvimwe chete. Munenge matondigonera ndinobva ndatomhanya. Tinodzifambira nyaya dzacho shefu, ndo nyaya ndokwatinotodedzwa chinzwa. Ndo zvedu chaizvozvo. Don't worry, by the end of this week magudzi anenge atosvika. Shipment yacho inenge yatoitwa. Pakanaka chef. Yes. Tugariro. Zvimushonga Yeah. Calling in the right time. Hello?
Hi babe, usikize. Did it was a good day?
Yeah, it's done. Penny Joey.
Really? Oh wow, so we're celebrating tonight.
Yes, celebrate.
Let me celebrate already. Okay, bye my love. I'll cook your favorite today.
Was you to get it?
Chi, like Chico anyway. Chi. Kuda itaseko.
Crazy.
Iwe kwana mani. Ndivhundutsira pa. Iwe. Ukochitivhundutsa kudaro unopengere iwe Lighton. It's all in your head. Unyanya kuzvifunga and then now you're seeing things.
No, it's not in my head, I'm telling you. He's here, he was here. He was here, I literally saw him with my own eyes. Shadows on the wall. I saw him, I'm seeing him. I'm telling you, I'm seeing him. I saw flashes of him in my office this afternoon. Sha, this is bad. This is bad, Sha. Oh, Anna. We have to stop this. We must tell Blessing the truth. We have to tell him. Otherwise, all this for what? For money? Blood for money? For fame? For power? Shamwari. Takufana zviregedzeswa. Wanzo, inini ndakutonoudza Blessing. Ndotonomuudza chete tosiyana nazvese. We have killed an innocent child, Chantel. This has to stop. What for? For motive never tell her. And all this family. She never said it. She never said it.
Look at all the cars we have now. One I
But when I we killed an innocent child. We have to come clean about this.
No, one is not a
No, I'm just looking at it. We have to come clean about this. We did something that was very bad. What you put it when I'm seeing blood, I'm seeing shadows everywhere. We have to come clean about this.
For our future, Lighton. For everything that we have. Look at the cars, the houses we have, and your business is boosted as well. Do you think we'll be here without this? Without the bottle? Huh?
What the fuck is going on? I don't care about the money anymore. I don't care. This has to end.
So we put it right upon look with a single. Tower chat, what destroy any, what destroy what we have built, and just one.
This thing binds us to him. If we destroy this, Kuda cannot be seen again. We have to destroy this. If we destroy this thing, maybe Kuda will rest in peace. Maybe you will rest in peace. Maybe you will rest in peace, Jeff. Maybe you will rest in peace.
Lighton, Chico.
I got to put it.
Do you want us to die? Do you want us to die?
We want one blessing which are resting in peace. I don't want to shungurudza. You are shungurudza. It's not coming to you. Ingat when it's poor. Chantel, could a home shunga go nyani?
If this thing breaks, we're all gonna die. Chini just wanna talk about punzi, Lighton. You don't got to people to you.
I'd rather be poor than to live with blood in my hands. I'd rather be poor. I'd rather go back to Musha remember Mbaira than to Kuruombesh.
Hello, Dave Shima. Is it right? What is it? Chomika. We went into a deep, heated argument and Lighton was not saying. Ashitanzi, angu manheru arachivumuka he ndikuona kuda ndikati kuda upi zvikanzi yeya uyu ari apo uyu ingatoona kunge nonzi chiplanzi ulaungoti handifumurei kuzi anga une chiboko ega ari wani plus idota remurume zvawaitaura akanyazuva iye zvinhu zvacho he actually wanted to hit me. Atondipotsera app. After I've been in bedroom, I had to rush. Then it's not on one. I'm not so funny about the road. That was the better. I get out of person and go to point about it. Can you imagine? This guy can end up to not to Jermaine do that. You told Team Food. Do you have an option? I'd rather die than lose everything. I can't lose all of this. Yes, I'm listening. But you're right. Yes. He deserves it.
Let him die.
Sometimes no need to admit the calming down.
Yes, right.
But I actually wish you guys need silent.
That's okay.
You don't want to tell.
Let's go to each one. Babe, are you okay?
So, you know.
Are you okay, baby? Baby? Are you okay?
You thought you could destroy everything you built. You thought you could ruin my life. It's better you die than put in this room and then
I think you can ruin my life. Hello? Did you say? Yes, I did it. I killed him. Of course. Ndamuchera Beatrice. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. I just did what you told me to do. Monovatova ipapa. It didn't take much time. Yes, I just gave him the tea. Novato tango kutodona, apatango to sheka. Alone. I was alone. It was heavy, but yes. Now I have everything to myself. The cars, the houses. Of course, that's what we wanted. Thank you, girl. Okay, bye. Hello? Guys, what is serious neighbors? No. My clients are coming order and you guys are still stagnant. I want those orders delivered in the next 2 minutes. Musatu slow say down bus and Hello, Mr. Mishwara, how are you? Yes, I know. And I want to be patient. Yes. Yeah, business no fun to practice the patience. Okay. Let me call Mark. Hi, my love. How are you? I'm good. Yeah. Not to worry. Everything is going smoothly. Of course. I'm not thinking about it too much. Besides, I have this baby inside me, Saga. It's like a placeholder, you know. Yeah. Yeah, the money, we're cashing every day. All thanks to you, my friend. Yeah, I'm enjoying everything to myself here. Of course, girls, I'm so happy. I'm happy, extremely happy. Yeah, and remember I'm seeing someone now. Yeah, he's a gentleman, a very kind gentleman. I'm gonna come and check up, see. I don't need to address. He's just been there. He's been there. Yeah. Look, I'm so happy, and guys, you know, so into the married, so that's the married. So that's why I can go to the random guy. Yes. Yeah, he's treating me well. Arable. Andakubudza zita rake iwewe. Iwewe. Anonzi Chipiro. Yes. Alright, it's fine. Later.
Hello, is this the police? Yes, I know where the missing child is. And also I know where Lighton's body is. Yes. Okay. Yes, I'll send you the information. Thank you.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go. I'll wait to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. And I'm good.
Okay,
Alone.
finally.
I'll be okay with you like an old friend.
I got the house, the car. Wow, damn, I'm rich. I love it. Oh, so my plan worked.
How we
Now
always
Chantel has a
wait
jail.
another day.
Lighton is dead. And this whole
How
house
we watch things that kids walk away.
is now mine. Wow. Okay.
Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care.
I regret everything that I did.
Yeah, and I'm good. I'll be okay with you.
I should have listened to my husband. You wouldn't be here.
Too scared.
I should have listened to Makanaka. Now look where I am. Look where the love of money landed me.
Let's live down
I've
by
lost
the
my
water,
life.
watch it come and go. I'll wait till
I've lost my freedom because of money.
sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.